Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and make sure you touch that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Hello. Hey y'all, what it is, what it do, it's your girl, Goodies with Chi, and I'm back with another video. Today, we at Chili's. Hardly anybody here, but I got me a tropical sunrise. Girl, gotta get tipsy already. I got me a triple dipper. I got some chips and dips going on right now. Hopefully my food coming out soon. So yeah. That's mine. Oh. There's a lady. That's their food. Let me see their food. My son got the sliders. Get that to Nick. Let me see Nate. They so silly. He got the chicken fingers, chicken strips. Let me see yours. I got another platter of good items. We got the garlic jalapeno sausage, the garlic bread, some brisket quesadillas, and some ribs. Yours coming, daughter. But right now, I want to bite this cheese stick that they got going on.
Lesbian.
Thank you. That's for my baby.
Yeah.
She got the macaroni. Uh-huh. Give me that.
I want some almonds.
Eat your burger, Nick. Here, Maddie.
I'm gonna try.
No, eat with your spoon then. They gave me a tray of cheese, sour cream, pico, guacamole. We got some of these Southwest egg rolls. I love these things.
I'll show you. Not coming. You're a minute. I said take them off.
Help him. Break them apart.
Take them apart.
Ooh.
Take it out. Under two? I just did that.
Eat your macaroni, Maddie. Eat your burgers, Nick.
Wait, under two, Mom.
I had to pause the video. I thought they was going to tell me I couldn't record in here.
Okay. Look at my dish.
Y'all know I had to give me a Dr. Pepper on the side. I already showed them, Maddie.
I'm gonna show them.
No, they already seen your food, Maddie.
No,
My daughter won't try to see her Sprite.
Come on.
No, it's all right. They already seen one Sprite. They don't need to see 3 Sprites. Mm-hmm. Tortillas. No, Maddie, go sit down. Eat. You want to make one of these tacos or no? What do you want me to make it?
I go try to
Give me
get
a fork.
food.
I just need a fork. What all you want on it? Ooh. A little bit of beans on there. Got some rice going on. You want like one meat or all the meat? Huh? We got some chicken, shrimp, beef. Oh, definitely gotta put some cheese. What else you want on it? That's it? No tomatoes? I know you don't eat tomato. Yeah. This is the brisket quesadilla. Mm. Hold on. Wait a minute. Eat. When I'm drumming with our food. Is you crazy, girl?
No.
Oh, you put hot sauce on everything.
I just had it out, Mom.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
What's that?
This ain't hot.
Let's show you.
I thought I got a little dirty. Maddie, eat the macaroni, girl. That's what you asked for.
Okay.
Mm.
And the jalapenos on there. Yeah. It's the jalapeno.
Got the shrimp, the beef,
Jalapeno?
and the strip of that.
Jalapeno.
We're gonna go in with some
The
cheese.
jalapeno. Yeah.
Some of that sour cream. Boom,
Wow.
mm-hmm.
Okay.
A little bit of red sauce.
Get my nose.
A little bit of that guacamole. Dang. Oh, it's so hot, it's just dripping out. Better not they try to hide the onion and the bell pepper. Grilled onion and grilled the bell pepper. Cause don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. All right. Mm-hmm. The cheese there. Mm.
No, baby. No, time out. Who wants you in the corner? The granny or the mom? The granny? Your turn. I said, during time out. Okay. Yeah, during time out.
Mm.
Come on. Good time out. Ha ha ha.
Mm. Another one? Yeah, please do. I'm gonna put bell pepper because I know you don't eat onions.
How about the baby? That's come out. That's come out. No, baby, baby, not.
Mm. Mm, mm, mm.
My mama wants to.
Ribs.
No.
Mm.
Your turn. Blue baby. Your turn.
Give me some of them sausages over there. Eat. Everybody eat. Girl, your teachers be trying to get away from you and not bring you to their house. Please let me get some of these napkins. Yeah, I know I make some mess.
Mama too.
Move, Maddie. And where the rest of my taco? Oh.
Me? What's that for?
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
What's
whoa.
that? I like that. I'm freezing, boy. No, I'm freezing. You baby, do. I'm trying. Stand up. I'm trying. Look at that. I'm trying. I eat from the flowers. I plant flowers. Here. Come this way. Give me that.
Mm.
Let's cut them. I'm here. Let's cut them.
Jalapeno sausage.
Look at. I'm cutting. Grandma will cut it. Right? I will. I'm the granny. I will.
Mm.
Nanny! The water. Water? I see the water. Huh? Yeah. Nanny, come in. Come in. Nanny, look. Come in. Nanny. Nanny.
Mm.
Nanny. Nanny. Nanny, look. You feel mother? I'm not trying. Oh, you tell Danny. Mother. 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 I'm not trying. What? You baby? Mother.
Please don't fall on my shirt. Please don't fall on my shirt.
Mother, baby.
Food guards, please don't let this fall on my shirt. I gotta record.
Mother. I'm not trying. Mother, big granny.
Mmm.
I'm the granny boy. I just take the bird, Daddy. Mother. Look.
Maddie, sit down and eat your macaroni.
Yeah.
She ain't touched her food.
Is this one right over here for us?
Mhm.
Is there anything on them walking out?
You
You guys keep enjoying.
Hey, hey. Let's battle. Let's battle. Let's battle. Go play outside. No, Mama, you run. Go play outside. Yeah.
Ain't no go play outside, girl.
Mama. Go play outside. Go outside.
Ooh. Let me just get some of yours.
No.
I don't know. Yours look brighter than mine. Not they made my friend drink better than mine. And they some haters say that. Mm, yeah.
Probably, yes.
No, but they say the same. Either way, I'm really drunk. Nicholas, eat your burgers. I'm telling you, before they brought the food to the table, I want to eat. The food to him, ain't nobody hungry.
I'm not hungry.
You better be hungry.
Okay.
Because you going to eat it or I'm going to eat it.
Look at Mama too. No, that's that. No, Daddy. No, I'm the mom. No, Daddy. Okay. Daddy, Daddy. I'm the mommy.
My daughter is chopping chips up in these people's window. The windowsill. So ghetto. That's gone. Why yours look perfect? I should take yours. You ain't getting the balloon, you ain't be good.
I'm gonna be good.
You already been bad, how you gonna be good?
I'm gonna the balloon. I want to sky balloon.
Nicholas, are you eating?
Yes. He good?
I ain't asked you was Nicholas good.
Mama, the balloon, what the balloon? Look at the balloon. Look at that.
Oh. Maddie, come sit down. Go back to your seat and sit down.
I'm the monkey
Go.
bird. I'm the monkey bird.
Boom.
Yeah. Mommy. No.
Oh, big hands.
I should make some bacon.
I love grilled onions on my mama. Got a little bit of everything. Boom, boom, boom. Move everything
You
around.
want mine?
Oh, can't even fold it.
Okay, I'm gonna get some.
Pull off some of that tortilla, baby. I want to get straight to that. To that yummy, yum, good, good. Mm. Mm. I'm feeling good. This food good. Today, I rate Chili's a 10 out of 10. Mhm. You full? Mm. Matt, don't you put no more salt on them people windowsill on them chips. Alright, y'all. Thanks for hanging out with your girl Goody Switchy and the 3 bad background kids. I enjoyed y'all. This food was amazing. And until next time.